Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to add AI generated captions and smart hashtags on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the plus icon. Now just select any post and then tap on next, and here tap on next. Now here you have to go to caption. And if you have AI enabled in your region of your Instagram and have updated it to the latest version, in my region, I have updated it to the latest version, but the AI is not available. So if you have it, you can just use the caption suggestions in here and choose any hashtag you want, and then you can just post it and tap on OK or share. So as you can see, it is currently getting posted. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.